How to print a photo or PDF using HP Smart Windows 10. Begin by opening the HP Smart app. If you do not have an HP Smart account, go to 123.hp.com and follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the app. HP Smart currently supports the printing of PDF documents and most image files. Print other file types directly from their associated applications, such as Microsoft Word. From the HP Smart App home screen, select Print Document or Print Photo depending on the item that you would like to print. Locate and select the PDF or photo that you would like to print. A preview window displays. You can select a different printer or make any changes to the print settings, such as the paper size or output quality if necessary. Select Print. The print preview window closes, the printer prints your document or photo, and the app returns to the home screen.